Aloha, friends. We are going to be talking about our Earth. So if you look at my picture, we have over here that's a big orange thing is the sun, and where the arrow is our Earth. Now, that was a photograph that was taken from outer space. So, photographs show us the world. And this is what a real photograph from outer space looks like of our world. Now, maps show us the world too, except for a map is a drawing or a painting to represent what is real in our world. So, this is a picture of our Earth and a map of our Earth. So looking at this map, land is in green and water is in blue. So I want you to think for a second. What do you think there's more of? Do you think there's more land or more water? If you said water, you're correct. Water covers most of Earth, and most of the water is found in the oceans on our Earth. So looking at that photograph of Earth taken from outer space, you can see mostly blue. And that's because those are the big blue oceans that you can see even from outer space. Now, the white part over here on this photograph, those are clouds, and then the green parts, that's the land. So there are 7 continents on our planet. So we have where we live, which is North America, that's the yellow continent, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa. Over here, the pink one is Australia, and then the continent of Antarctica. So we need Earth. Earth is our home. It has water, land, and air, and we need all of these things in order to live. We call these things our basic needs. So we talked about water covering much of the Earth, but most of it is salty and some of it is fresh. We need fresh water in order to live. Land covers the rest of Earth. And we need land to grow our food. We need it to build our homes or our shelters. And you can see that these plants grow in soil. The thing that we cannot see is air, but air is all around Earth, and we need air to breathe. Another thing we need are plants. We need plants because they take the bad air and they turn it into good air, oxygen, which is what we breathe and we need to live. So again, another one of our basic needs. So we said that we need air, food, water, and we also need a shelter. So animals have basic needs as well. They also need food and water and air and a shelter. And plants need air and they need water, but they also need nutrients from the soil and they need light that comes from the sun. So where we live is called a habitat, and where animals live is a habitat as well. These are some examples of some habitats. Now, there's more than this, but these are just a couple. Now, we've already talked about the Arctic and the Antarctic. Remember back in winter, we talked about those. And there are other habitats such as the desert, the ocean, grasslands, and mountains. But this week, we're going to be talking about the rainforest, and particularly the tropical rainforest. And looking at this map up top, you can see that there's some dark green. Now on this map, the dark green represents all the tropical rainforests that can be found in our world. Not that many. So we're going to be talking all week about how we can protect our Earth, how we can help save our rainforest, and celebrate Earth Day, which happens to be April 22nd. Every April 22nd is Earth Day. So I hope you enjoyed learning about our Earth, habitats, and our basic needs. And we'll talk more about ways that we can help our Earth and celebrate Earth Day in our own way Thanks, friends. Goodbye.